We're back. Yu-Gi-Oh! Those are some sonic spikes, I think. This bed is scratched. Ooh, treasure! Yes! Nice reference. Nice throw, Tari. He eats it.
It's time for my counterattack.
No, you. Uno reverse card. Finally, I can have my sandwich.
Oh, you're so good. Excellent selection. Oh, you got to be fucking with me.
I have now grabbed my pants. Foolish intruders, we will take you to our home, where you will work as our slaves. Just notice that the color is based on Subway. Nice touch. And I love that it's the Banjo-Kazooie talk sound. Subway headquarters. Break room is over there. Bathrooms are, and clock out the time is never any questions. Yeah, when is lunch? You have to earn your lunch break.
It sure is boring around here.
It's kind of weird that it's Sonic's voice, I think. I could just speed it up when the video is over. Wait. I stapler, mug, and ruler. Are you kidding me? And that's my boy Cuphead. Nice touch. Of course, Baldi would teach him. Paper Mario! It's like Paper Mario Dream Team. It's that guy from... Have you tried turning off and on again? Do it for her. The duckies. I love all the fan art. That's like a Loud House appearance, man. I love Tari and the duckies. Ultimate ducky. Aww. That's sad. Those are too many cardboard and Paper Marios.
It was him. Let's get him, Fairy.
What's this? Sir, about the troublemakers. Who's gonna be?
Hello, it's me.
Oh hey, your fishy boobkin's dead. Can you help us out? Wasn't expecting this. It's Octodad. Good to know. Death by Glamour in the background. Was that your wizard, Harry? Cuphead! Oh, you've done it now. Shirley Brewing. Not Cuphead. Oh, he actually works there. Good for him. Wait, what platforms does he have on there? Steam. Something with Fallout, Minecraft. No Roblox. What are you doing here?
I need more money, so my dad offered me a job as a HR director of his company. Dad, if it didn't work, Dad. Oh, Dad, you can't hurt them. They're my friends. Please.
The Mega Flowey team.
Please, Dad. Fine. Bye. Get the f*** out of here. You got rid of that old yee ass haircut you got. You get some.
What? Oh, new supplies are on the way. Why is there so much Undertale music? Now it's hopes and dreams. Are you kidding me? Finally, my sandwich is complete. You too much mayo. Mayo. Wow, that was amazing. Go subscribe to SMG4. Link in the description. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in a new video. This was nice fan art of Maggie, Tari, and Psycho. Anyways, goodbye.